This isn't just a luxury car, it's an experience on wheels. Welcome back to RideX, where style meets speed, and today, we're diving deep into the stunning 2025 BMW 7 Series, finished in the elegant mineral white metallic. From its powerful performance to its ultra-luxurious interior, this car is the definition of modern prestige. Let's start with the exterior. The moment you lay eyes on this machine, it demands respect. The mineral white metallic paint glistens under sunlight, giving the car a rich pearl-like glow. At the front, the oversized BMW kidney grille makes a bold statement, flanked by crystal LED headlights. Yes, with optional Swarovski crystals inside, the sharp lines flow across a long, sculpted hood, leading to flush door handles, sleek side panels, and aerodynamic touches that scream sophistication. The car rides on massive alloy wheels, giving it both grace and grit on the road. Now let's step inside. This is where BMW turns up the luxury to 11. The cabin is a blend of modern design and timeless elegance. Soft touch merino leather, open floor wood trim, and customizable ambient lighting welcome you in. The massive curved display dominates the dashboard, combining a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system. Everything is sleek, responsive, and voice-controlled, or if you're feeling fancy, use the gesture control to swipe through settings like a pro. But wait till you see the rear. In the back, this sedan turns into a mobile luxury lounge. You get executive lounge seats with massage functions, rear touchscreen controls, and the highlight, an optional 31-inch 8K theater screen that drops down from the roof. Netflix in your car. Absolutely. Now let's talk power. The 2025 BMW 7 Series comes in a range of powertrains. The 740i features a smooth 3.0 liters turbocharged inline-six delivering 375 horsepower, while the beastly 760i xDrive packs a 4.4L twin-turbo V8 pushing 536 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. The ride, effortless. The handling, sharper than ever. And yes, if you're into electric, BMW offers the i7 version with 0 emissions and full performance. So whether you're chasing style, comfort, or pure power, the 2025 7 Series brings it all in one sleek, luxurious package. Thanks for watching RideX. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more premium car content coming your way.